A key reason I launched my campaign for $1million.com to educate 1 million people how to invest was this. Headlines like this, the one that I've circled in red. If you can't see it, let me read it for you. UBS rich clients get Goldman PIMCO strategies with no extra fee. The rich share fees with each other. I think it's unfair that you'd have to have 10 million with the Goldmans to get access to those kind of strategies, which is why in my webinars, as a hedge fund manager, I get to see the kinds of documents and strategies they're talking about, and I share those which are relevant for retail to educate them on what's going on and how these companies are investing. Have a look at my campaign for $1million.com. Follow me through that on my Telegram channel, and you'll see the things which I think are relevant to retail investors to educate them as a form of education for them to learn what's actually going on. I don't think they should be missing out just because they don't have 10 million in the bank, and I don't think they should be left ignorant.